Hello everybody, it's Tina and I'm here with Oldies but Goodies Gen X Toons ATC cards. And today's two are Raggedy Ann and Andy. I still had my Raggedy Ann and Andy doll up to becoming a mom. And then I gave it to my daughter. This is what I came up with. Just a little simple little card with the polka dot background and them hugging each other and red and blues in the corners. Oops. So that's that one. There we go. And then the next one is one that I never actually watched. And it is the Jen in the holograms. JEM in the holograms. So, they look like rockers. So I just found an image of them and I got this cool texture sticker and I added some stars and some little blinging. Look like they're in that's the back of their stage. And that's that one. So let me know in the comments if you ever watched this as a child, because I don't remember it. So those are the two I came up with. I want to thank you for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, and be crafty, and bye for now.